projects move fast, clarity should too. With Altirya, turn a project idea into a clear, actionable plan. AI structures the work in minutes, so your team can start aligned. Tasks, dependencies, effort, and costs come together in one visual roadmap. Risks are identified early, with practical actions before they become delays. See capacity, blockers, and delivery pressure across the team at a glance. Keep discussions, files, microtasks, and decisions connected to the work. Then return to exactly what needs your attention, even after time away. Altirya, plan with clarity, keep execution moving. Start free today.